So ladies category final heat here at Iriga City. So nandyan ang Batang Aguila, Zaira Paco, Janelle Saulog, Tentado. Sino pa yung iba guys? Wow! Zaira Paco got the whole shot guys!
Rider from Zamboanga is leading already, taking the whole shot.
Wow!
Zaira Paco.
Wow! Grabe!
And coming on board,
So, Zaira Paco on the lead for ladies category. Final hit here at Iriga City. Wow! Breakaway na Zaira Paco guys. Zaira Paco, breakaway na.
Janelle Saulog.
Ayun no. Zaira Paco, breakaway. 3 laps guys, 3 laps. Ayun no. Wow. Breakaway na sa harap ako guys for ladies category finalist. Wow. Lupad. Finish line, lupad. Wow.
Zaira Paco is
Grabe.
for the ladies category.
Ayun no. Grabe Batang Aguila guys. Namamayagpag dito sa Iriga City.
Category, please proceed now to the waiting area.
10 second. Lupad. Grabe. Gina Dado on second, Janelle Saulog on third. Ayun. Breakaway ng Batang Aguila guys.
Celeste Seki from Iriga City.
Oh. Wow. Battle for second.
Zaira Paco is already pulling away.
Wow. Grabe. Ayun no.
Ready for the step up, going to the
Dado versus Janelle Saulog.
and Seki on fifth.
Grabe, pinalakpakan. Wow. Uy. Wow! Overjump. Wala pang white flag, 3 laps. Oy!
Yellow flag, yellow
Yellow
flag.
flag, yellow flag.
Kaya na yan.
Medyo nagkamali sa burr.
Sumemplang.
Awat pa, awat pa.
Huwag walang tulungan yan. Bawal tulungan. Malayo ka naman.
Yellow flag.
Yellow flag, yellow flag.
Oh.
Grabe. Mabul ka.
Medyo lumabas.
Ahay. Masyado nang madulas ang racetrack guys. Sumemplang sa harap ako. Ayun. Pumutoy na naman.
Para hindi siya nabagla.
Sumemplang, sumutoy na naman. Sa harap ako. Wow.
Second. Third.
Oh. Dado Dado on fourth.
Rider number 721.
Meron sila 3 laps lang to. Ano ba? Dapat kanina pa last lap.
Peter.
Second lap na dapat yan.
Second flag na dapat.
Ay, sumimplang.
Yellow flag po. May natumba. Yellow flag. Second pa lang. Approaching to the finish
Checker
line.
flag. Zaira Paco, champion ladies open. Wow! Grabe! Woohoo! Champion.
Ano pwesto niyo dyan?
Champion, Zaira Paco.
Congratulations, Kina Dado! Second,
Grabe, nilagay pa ang motor sa berm.
Sa ulog. Third,
Checker.
Sayra pa ako, punta ka raw dito sa may kapilang side.
fourth, si Rain Dado.
Magpapapicture sa'yo.